Busy. Adjective. Adjective. Busy. Comparative. Busier. Busiest. Having a great deal to do. Number 1. Occupied with or concentrating on a particular activity or object of attention. Occupied with or concentrating on a particular activity or object of attention. Occupied in, engaged in, involved in, employed in, working at, laboring at, toiling at, slaving at, hard at work on, wrapped up in, wrapped up with, rushed off one's feet with, hard pressed, hard pressed, time poor, dash, at work on the job, absorbed in, engrossed in, immersed in, preoccupied with, active in, lively, industrious, bustling, energetic, tireless, busy as a bee, on the go, hard at it, on the hop, have one's hands full. Number 2, of a place full of activity. Number 2, strenuous, hectic, energetic, active, lively, exacting, tiring, full, eventful, crowded, bustling, swarming, teeming, teeming, austere, astir, buzzing, hectic, full, thronged, thoronged, thronging, lively, vibrant, buzzy. Number 3, excessively detailed or decorated, fussy, excessively ornate, over-elaborate, over-embellished, over-decorated, overblown, overripe, overwrought, 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 exaggerated, overdone, florid, fussy, cluttered, contrived, overworked, over-detailed, strained, labored, baroque, rococo, heaving, like Piccadilly Circus. Number 4, of a phone line, engaged, unavailable, otherwise engaged, occupied in a meeting, working, at work, on duty, on active service, in harness, tied up, have a previous engagement. Verb. Busies. Keep occupied. Occupy, involve, engage, concern, employ, absorb, engross, immerse, preoccupy, interest, entertain, distract, divert, amuse, beguile, beguile. Beguile. The five parts of busy. 1. Busy yourself. Busy yourself, active, occupied with, hectic, crowded. Number 1. busy yourself, amuse yourself, absorb yourself, employ yourself, engage yourself. Keep busy or occupied. Keep busy or occupied. Mas busy yourself. Number 2, active. Hardworking, assiduous, rushed off your feet. By, B, capital B-Y. By. And the subordinate, shiftless. Shiftless. Occupied with. Subordinate, unoccupied. And then, shiftless is the opposite of active. Number 2, occupied with. Opposite, unoccupied. In harness, on active service, hard at work on. By. That's number 2, occupied. Number 3, by, on the go, strenuous, energetic, exacting. Number 4, crowded. By, jam-packed, populous, congested, teeming, T-E-M-I-N-G. Verb, keep busy with. Sinus, occupy. Related words, work, potter, smatter, play around, dabble. Adjective, actively or fully engaged or occupied. Related words, diligent, employed. Opposites, idle, I-D-L-E, idle. Adjective, overcrowded or cluttered with detail. Sinus, fussy. Related words, fancy. Adjective, intrusive in a meddling or offensive manner. Busybody, interfering, meddlesome, meddling, meddling. Officious. Related words, intrusive. Adjective, involved in activity or work. Employed, sinus, employed, engaged, occupied. Sinus, the active, adjective, the active. Sinus, active, efficient, brisk, hard-pressed, dash. Tireless, diligent, industrious, hardworking, assiduous, washed off your feet, by. Opposites of active. Relaxed, lazy, idle, inactive, indolent, slothful, 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 shiftless, diba? Adjective, occupied with. Synonyms, sinus, occupied with, working, engaged in, on duty, employed in, preoccupied with, absorbed in, immersed in, hard at work, engrossed in harness, on active service, hard at work, on, by. Opposite of occupied with, off duty, unoccupied. Adjective, hectic. Sinus, hectic, full, active, tiring, exacting, energetic, strenuous, on the go, informal, on the go, by SMS. 1592. As busy as a hen with one chick. Chick. S-H-I-C-K. Chick. As busy as a hen with one chick. 1592. Excessively protective or solicitous. A hen with one chick, also a chicken. Another one, acting fussily. 1899, as busy as a nailer. As busy as a nailer, 1899. Occupied or busy. At work, at it, in full play. in full play, on the run, on the job. He, as busy as a nailer, 1899, in similes indicating tenacity or hard work, like a nailer. 1275, busy. Of an action, occupation, etc., energetically carried on, pursued vigorously. Of conditions, business, trades, etc., carried out or proceeding with vigor. Sinus, stiff, busy, great, throng, warm, spirited. Busy, 1530, busy. Of a time or place, full of busyness or activity. Full of sinus, quick, busy, stirring, lively, busy-ish, busy, 1448 to 1615. Of a thing involving much work, care, or trouble, elaborate, intricate. Accomplished with much labor. Accomplished with much labor. Sinus, busy, labored, elaborate, pumped, labor intensive. Busy. Old English, 1525. Solicitous, concerned, anxious, uneasy, troubled, careful, attentive. Of desires, prayers, etc. Sinus, busy, careful, intentive, diligent, thoughtful. Busy, 1670. Devoted to some business, active, assiduous, diligent, industrious. Of a warrior, keen to fight, bold. Sinus, busy, laborious, industrious, notable. Busy, Old English 1631, transitive. To trouble the body or the mind. Only in English. To trouble the body, only in Old English, or the mind. To afflict, worry, disturb, perplex. Sinus, busy, fret, exercise, sputter, fidget, worry. These all cause worry too. Cause worry too. Transitive verb. Cause worry too. Cause worry too. Easy. Walang data. No dates. Easy, all English. Anxiety, solicitude, care, affliction, trouble. An instance of this. Nouns. Nouns of busy. Sinus, scary, carefulness, how, thought, cark, C-A-R-K, anxiety, anxiety. Busy, Old English, 1450. Activity, occupation, business. The state of being actively employed. An instance of this. Also, in there was busy, busy was had. There was a bustle or that. Sinus, busying, occupation, business, employing, employment. Busy, 1611. That indicates activity. That indicates activity or business. Oh, no sinus. What? Power thesaurus. Occupied. Power thesaurus of busy. Occupied, active, engaged, bustling, lively. Occupy, crowded, industrious, working, engaged, hectic, engrossed. Employed, full, fussy, at work, meddlesome, diligent, energetic. Meddling, assiduous, preoccupied, tied up, absorbed, interfering, officious, brisk, involved, sedulous, on the go. absorbed in, unavailable, ornate, eventful, rococo, employee, swamped, on the job, divert, preoccupy, amuse, hard at work, on duty, immerse, baroque, packed, interest, involved, hard at it, engrossed, intrusive, tireless, in use, overworked, loaded, hardworking, elaborate, teaming, T-E-M-I-G, teaming, entertained, overwrought, buzzing, hardworking dash, hard pressed with a dash, distract, flurry, swarming, abuzz, employed in, field, decorated, in harness, engaged in, humming, laborious, at it, dynamic, hard at work on, taken, occupies, absorbed, restless, obtrusive, ornamented, overdone, enthusiastic, congested, laboring at, overblown, concern, hyper, prying, Prying, studious, showy, zealous, toiling at. This is a highlight. On duty, mutual, occupied, engaged, working, at work, active, unique, on standby, on call out, in the field, on hand, in office. Those are on duty. Opposites: idle, free, unbusy, unoccupied, inactive, lazy, at leisure, quiet, unemployed, work shy, with a dash, empty, lifeless, sleepy, bone idle, available, sluggish, off duty, lethargic, slow, vacant, slothful, slack, deject, passive, stagnant, inoperative, not working, weary, unengaged, quiescent, Quiescent, plain, latent, indolent, listless, negligent, impassive, out of work, jade, tire, at a loose end, slow moving, unproductive, desolate. Tagalog opposites. Hindi nagamit o hindi gumagamit, hindi nagamit. Walang pakialam, pinipigilan, nagsusumamo, hindi gumagalaw, pabaya, maluwag, wala sa trabaho, wala nang gamit, wala nang gamit, hindi gumagana, hindi umiimik, hindi mapanghimasok, pagkasira ng loob, hubad, panghinaan ng loob. Highlight of opposite of busy. Passive definition. Being inactive and submissive in a relationship, especially in a sexual one. Psychology. Mutual. Inactive, idle, lifeless, sluggish, lethargic. Unique of passive. Submissive, acquiescent, compliant, docile, docile, meek.